Let me take you, Super Super. You give me. Are you ready to go night-night? You're a good girl. Say love you, Zobert. Love you, Zobert. You're pretty. Wish I could see ya. Really? You gonna tell me stories tonight? Oh, and kisses too. He's outside, Rock. You're a monkey. You're a crazy monkey. Okay, you're a monkey that needs an exorcism. What? Where's Don? Monkey. Pickle. Where's that pickle? Rock, you're silly. Hey, how's Draven go? Oh, good boy. You're so smart. Can you do peekaboo? Hey, Mill. Hey, Zobert. Hey, where's Don? Oh, you've got the monkeys tonight? Monkey! Rocky's a monkey butt. You guys better stop right now. Tell Rock. Hey, whisper, Zobert. Let me hear you whisper. Good girl, you whisper. You can't be loud. Oh, good God. Help! You're a good girl. You're goofy. You guys ready to go night-night? You ready to go sleep? Okay. I'll see you in the morning. Night-night.